is it?
What is quadratic equation?
Well, a quadratic equation is any equation that can be rearranged into standard form. Basically, it is when x is the unknown number while a, b, and c are variables where a is not equal to 0. Do you get it now?
Yes, I do. But how do you solve it by factoring?
By factoring? It's easy! Let's take x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. First thing you do is factor the x, and then factor the 10. Let's take 2 and 5 for 10 and see if we can get 3x from that, okay?
Okay.
Now to find if 2 and 5 are the correct variables, we'll use the FOIL method. So x times x is equal to x squared. X times 5 equals 5x. 2 times x equals 2x. And finally, 2 times 5 equals 10. Let's now find 3x by subtracting 2x from 5x. And there you have it, 3x.
That's cool.
I know, right? Now, let's finally look for the value of x. So to put it simply, x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0.
But how are you going to find x?
It's simple actually, just transpose.
Transpose?
Yeah, transpose. So if you move 2 to the right, you'll have x equals negative 2. And if you move the 5 to the right, you'll have x equals 5.
Oh, I see. I get it.
You do? Well, that's a relief. I hope everybody else understood too.
Math is so fun and easy.